This all started with as part of our commitment to engage our community, not only our campus community, but the greater Flint community as well. As you know, we police not only in our campus here, but we support the city of Flint, the Flint PD, in policing off campus as well.
I was at home one day and Eric Typolis, who actually used to work for ITS, he called me up and he told me about Ray and his new initiative with starting this mobile gaming truck to like do outreach to the communities around Flint.
The vision is it gives us the opportunity to go out into the community, create a relationship with them, take this game room to where they are.
We engage individuals in a very positive way, and that's the way we do business here on this campus. That's the way we prefer to do our work, and so that's exactly what we carried on in the community. And with the RV and the game room, thanks to the partnership of our students, we're able to go in the community and really build those organic relationships that are critical for us to be effective in delivering public safety services. This idea really stemmed from the inspiration that many of us got from just visiting the esports tournament that's held in the rec center every spring. We've taken it to numerous community events, and we're booked for other community events already. Soon as the community heard about, different organizations heard about this vehicle and what was going to be, how it's going to be outfitted, the phone started ringing off the hook.
What the vehicle has allowed me to do is just to pull up in certain areas, set up sort of like a tent. We'll give away some giveaways, let children walk in and take a look at what's getting ready to happen. And they're pretty excited about it.
The RV came from a state grant that was granted to our department because of the activity that we're involved with in the Flint community. And so it showed a commitment through the state to support our efforts, to encourage us to do more, not less. And the wrapping came from a private donor, along with the expense for the game room, by the way.
This vehicle allows me to take the agency from one neighborhood to the next, and it's a beautiful thing.